Hey guys, TPTUBER back with another video. So today I will be unboxing and reviewing the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's unbox it first. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max in Sierra blue color with 256 gigs of storage and 6 GB of RAM. Inside the box there is mobile, and below the mobile there is instruction manual with the SIM card tool and some stickers. And below that there is USB-C to lightning port charging cable. So let's talk about the design and the build of this mobile. So this mobile is one of the best looking mobiles out there in the market, especially with the Sierra blue color. The back is made up of glass and has a matte finish on it, but the logo on the back has a shiny finish on it. The side is made up of stainless steel and has a shiny finish on it. On the left hand side we can see the silent button, the volume buttons and SIM card slot. Below we can see the charging port, speaker grill, and right hand side we can see the power button. So let's talk about the screen. So it has an OLED display with the ProMotion 120Hz refresh rate. The maximum brightness is 1200 nits and the pixel density is 458 pixels per inch, and the resolution is 1284 into 2778 pixels. I have to say the screen is very smooth and the colors also look very nice, and the notch is 20% smaller than the previous generation of iPhone. So the iPhone has triple camera setup on the back with 3x zoom 12 megapixel camera and ultra wide 12 megapixel camera and 12 megapixel primary camera with the sensor shift technology and a lidar scanner. The selfie camera is also 12 megapixel and the camera bump is very big. The phone wobbles a bit on the table if you use it without a cover. Recently Apple added many features in the camera app such as the cinematic mode, and in the photo mode there are many options such as the rich contrast, vibrant, etc. And for professional shooters there is also a option called ProRes mode, but I cannot see option of ProRes mode here. Maybe we have to enable in the settings. And it can shoot up to 4K 60 fps video. So here are some pics taken from the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So this mobile has stereo speakers, so the sounds come from the earpiece speaker on the top and the speaker grill below. So this is the speaker test of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. As you can see, the speaker quality is really nice and it's very loud. So this is the microphone quality of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So let's talk about the performance. The performance is very nice in this new mobile. It has the A15 Bionic chip and it has 6 GB of RAM, but it doesn't feel like it should have had more RAM. It is very smooth and fast. Till now I didn't feel any lag anywhere. As you guys know, iPhone is known for its software updates. As you can see, I have the iPhone 6s, a 6-year-old phone running the iOS 15, the latest software from Apple, which also runs in the iPhone 13 Pro Max out of the box. So you can expect 5 years of software updates in this mobile. And it also has 4400 milliampere battery, but its performance of the battery is better than expected. Okay, here are some things which I have to say. If Apple added this, it would have been a perfect mobile. Number one, a better, more megapixel camera, because it would be good for zooming and also taking more resolution video. Number two, they could have used aluminium on the sides instead of the stainless steel to reduce the weight of this mobile. And number three, the Face ID. I know Face ID is good, but it isn't always better in this world of masks. So I recommend using the fingerprint ID. They could have added the Touch ID on the power button like they have did in the iPad Air and iPad Pro. But regardless these, the iPhone 13 Pro Max is a great mobile with great camera, battery and screen, etc. But all these same features you get in the smaller iPhone 13 Pro itself. If you really want a big screen, I would recommend the iPhone 13 Pro Max. If these two things doesn't matter to you, then I would say to go for the iPhone 13 Pro. So this was my review of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.